In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the failed to load extension could not load manifest error in Google Chrome. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to use an extension that's crucial to your browsing experience. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process of resolving it. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to locate the problematic extension and remove it from Chrome. To do this, open your Google Chrome browser and type Chrome/extensions in the address bar. Once you've done that, press Enter. This will take you to a page listing all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Here, you need to carefully browse through the list and identify the extension causing the could not load manifest error. Once you've found it, simply click the Remove button located just below the extension's details. When prompted, confirm that you indeed want to remove it. By doing this, you ensure that any corrupt files associated with that extension are deleted from your browser, giving us a clean slate to work with. Now that we've successfully removed the problematic extension, our next task is reinstalling it. Your journey to reinstall begins at the Chrome Web Store, where all officially available extensions reside. Open a new tab and search for the Chrome Web Store. Once there, use the search bar to locate the extension you just uninstalled. You'll want to make sure you're selecting the correct extension from a reputable developer to avoid any further issues. After you've found it, click the Add to Chrome button. This action will prompt a dialog box that asks for permission to add the extension to your browser. Go ahead, review the permissions, and click Add Extension. Once the installation process is complete, you should have a functioning extension again, devoid of the troublesome manifest error. To ensure everything is working smoothly, you might want to refresh the current page or restart your browser entirely. And there you have it. By following these steps, we've tackled the failed to load extension could not load manifest problem head-on. If your extension is now running smoothly, you've done a great job. If you encounter this issue in the future, you'll know exactly how to handle it. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more useful tech guides. Have a great browsing experience and see you in the next video.